Everyone talks about how Bitcoin is hard to value. No cash flow, no earnings, no dividends. So what is it really worth? Today I'll show you one of the most grounded ways to estimate Bitcoin's value, using what it costs to mine a single Bitcoin. And right now that number is around $70,000. Let's break it down. Bitcoin is produced through mining. It's a process that consumes real resources: electricity, hardware, time, and capital. This is called proof of work, and it's not just about security. It gives Bitcoin an anchor to the real world. If it costs $70,000 to create one Bitcoin, then logically Bitcoin shouldn't trade below that for too long. Miners would stop mining, hash rate would drop, and the system would rebalance. That's why many analysts treat mining costs as Bitcoin's intrinsic value floor. As of July 2025, the median global cost to mine one Bitcoin is over $70,000. This takes into account rising global energy prices, higher mining difficulty, the 2024 halving, which cut rewards in half. Some big players like Marathon or Riot can mine for less, maybe $20,000 to $30,000, but the network-wide median sits around $70,000. That becomes our baseline. Historically, Bitcoin trades at 1.2 to 1.5 times its mining cost, especially during neutral or bullish markets. If we take the $70,000 cost and apply that range, 1.2 times 70,000 equals 84,000, 1.5 times 70,000 equals 105,000. So based on production costs, Bitcoin's fair value range right now is somewhere between $84,000 and $105,000. This is where the market usually settles. Miners stay profitable, buyers stay active, and things stay balanced. This model makes sense for a few reasons. It's grounded in real economics, not speculation. It mirrors how we value commodities like gold. It reflects how Bitcoin's security and scarcity come from physical inputs. Plus, it's simple enough for anyone to understand. Now, this is not a perfect model. It doesn't capture macro trends, institutional flows, store of value demand, or wild speculation, but it gives us a rational baseline in a very emotional market. So the next time someone says Bitcoin has no intrinsic value, tell them this: it costs $70,000 to make one Bitcoin. That's not nothing. That's the floor. And when Bitcoin trades between $84,000 and $105,000, it's doing exactly what it should, floating just above the cost to create it. Simple, grounded Bitcoin.